Today, we will explore how to analyze trending stocks using the EPS Momentum platform. We will focus on volatility signal, trend, price momentum signal, and distance to high. By the end, you will know how to filter stocks for strong trends and high momentum. Volatility signal shows whether a stock's price movement is strong, weak, or normal. Strong volatility indicates a high intensity of price movement. You can use this column to sort or filter stocks. For example, if you filter by strong, the screener will show only stocks with strong volatility. Next, the trend column shows the stock's current movement. Green means the stock is moving up. Yellow means the stock is in consolidation. Red means the stock is moving down. Next, let's look at the price momentum. Here you see the actual numbers. The bigger the positive value, the stronger the stock is accelerating upward. The bigger the negative value, the stronger it is moving down. Now, the price momentum signal makes it simple. Positive numbers turn into up momentum. Negative numbers turn into down momentum. Then, the price momentum slope shows the last 10-day trend of momentum. A large positive slope means momentum is rising fast. A large negative slope means momentum is falling quickly. And finally, the price momentum slope signal translates it. Heading up when slope is positive. Heading down when slope is negative. Next, let's look at distance to high percent. This shows the price distance in percent from the 52-week high. In the filter, you can choose different time horizons, 20 days, 52 weeks, or 5 years. Usually we use the 52-week high. Why? Because we want to find stocks that are reaching their high. If the distance is 0, the stock is at its highest point. If it is 2%, it is close to the high. Use the features I showed you today to improve your trading. By combining them, you can save time, spot strong trends, reduce risk, and make more informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.